Hi everyone, this is a challenge lock from Capsos. It's his first one, I would assume, 1.0. It's a Yale rim cylinder, that's the bitting on the key. Not too bad at all, possibly even within my ability. Lock does work. Let's put the tension on the open side. Push that up in there, make sure I've got enough room. Not quite locked in place. Actually, I'm going to use a slightly shallower hook. Use the trusty clom. Let's go straight to the back. Do it by the numbers. Pin 4. Clip from pin 3. Deep forcet from pin 1, I think that was. 1 or 2. A little bit stuck with the tension wrench here. Pin at the back. Ooh, there we go. Yeah, so it's a mini adventure, that lock. A number of ways you can do it, but yeah, good fun, and pleased to get that open. It's been a while before I've been able to, since I've been able to open anything. And thanks for watching, guys, and thanks to Capsos for making this lock.